morning, dito na tayo sa Pinas ni Long.
Asan si Mami Miss?
Long,
Ferris wheel.
saan ang Ferris wheel ko?
Ayun, nakita.
Baka yun dyan. Ano yun? Star City. What's up, guys? Hala, tulog si Madam.
Oo nga, no, tita.
Ano?
Maluwagan yung sa Pilipinas. Hindi pataasan.
Oo, totoo. Sa Taiwan, di ba, puro pataas. Dito, palaparan ng lupa. Ayan na.
Hindi na dito mataas.
Take off na, oh. Talaga naman, oh. Malapit na tayo, Madam. Buhay. Welcome to Philippines. This is it, pansit. Ni wake up na ni. Tingnan mo, hindi mo nakita yung ano, nasa taas kanina. Ang ganda. Ayun, ang ganda, oh.
International Airport, Terminal 3. The local time now is 37 minutes past 8 in the evening. For safety, please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off.
Ganda, no?
Be careful
Dami
when opening
ilaw.
the overhead compartments and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with
Dami
you before
ilaw.
leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and look forward to serving you again.
Huwag ka na matulog, be. Hihirit ka pa ng tulog, eh. Tama.
First Officer Paulo Traivilla, and for the rest of the
Uy.
crew, we would like to say thank you for flying with us.
Uy! Ala, babalik tayong ulit Taiwan. Sige, pag di ka gumising. Ano, balik tayo Taiwan?
For guests traveling with infants
Ayun,
and
airplane
with
ulit, ah.
infant life vest, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you and welcome to Manila.
Manila!